When making a purchase from SteelChief, there are a huge range of options to choose from to customise your shed. In this video, we'll look at how to install a lockable T-handle for your shed door. The T-handle is delivered loose, coming with 2 keys and an internal handle. The holes will have already been pre-drilled in the door requested. To begin, roll the nuts off the thread and insert the centre shaft through the pre-drilled holes. Once done, tighten the nuts back onto the threads. Just firm, not gorilla tight. Before placing the internal handle onto the shaft, ensure the T-handle is in the closed orientation, meaning vertically. The external handle will cover the holes. From the inside of the shed, slide the internal handle onto the shaft, pulling the door closed and having it snug to the door frame. Once in position, tighten the locking bolt until secure. Test to see if the door is held firmly and doesn't rattle. Adjust internal handle accordingly. Once done, you'll have successfully installed the T-handle for your SteelChief's shed. For many other optional accessories and SteelChief's sheds, explore our YouTube channel or visit steelchief.com.au.